Last videos we discussed all topics about the Autocad. I think it is the last to second video. Okay, so in this we are going to discuss about the isometric view. How to draw the diagrams. First we want to know what is isometric. So isometric is one of the option which is available in Autocad, which shows the 2D diagram as 3D. How our 2D diagram look like in 3D, it will show in our isometric view with lines. Okay, so this is our 2D, we already know about it. Now I want to enter to isometric. So for that, what I am doing, I am directly select the function key of F5. Okay, I am owning this one. See our grid, how is it changed? So in isometric view, we have the three planes. In every plane, we have two coordinates, x and y, z and zx. Okay, so based on these three planes, we have to draw our diagrams. Okay, here, so I want to show it once how to draw a diagram, and same as well, it is mostly useful for the manufacturing purpose. Okay, in this case only, in isometric only, we show all type of dimensions in single diagram. If we go with 2D, we have to take some sections for that to show the all dimensions. So when we go with isometric view, in single view, we can give all type of dimensions to this. Okay. Here I want to draw any one of the diagram. So for that, I just go with steps because it's too simple to explain and also understand. Okay, here I'm going with line. So this is my line. So I want to give some example dimensions only, not that much exactly. Okay, here I'm going with 5 feet. And now I want to draw the horizontal line here. Okay, for that horizontal line, I want to change my plane by clicking on F5. Come, F5 function key. Okay, horizontally I have 5 feet. So vertically I have 5 feet, and horizontally I'm going with 8 feet. Okay, in this direction I'm going with 2 feet, and here also 8 feet going to back. Now I want to draw the vertical lines here. So for that I'm changing my plane. Okay, I'm giving 1 feet. So only for example purpose I'm choosing these dimensions, not exact dimensions I'm showing. Okay, I just go with example purpose. So here to 1 feet. Okay, now what I am doing, I no need want to draw these all lines again. I just want to take a copy of this. Okay, like this. Go with the line, join all the lines here, and same as well here. So this is our steps. This is the simple way how to draw the diagrams. Okay, here I just show the only the steps. We have multiple kinds of images and same as well diagrams, products. Okay, so in that cases how to draw I will explain in the next video. Okay, first we want to know the basics of the isometric. Okay, for that only I drawn this diagram in front of you, and the same case how to specify the dimensions for this. Okay, for example, here I am taking the dimension. See, it's some, I won't set my units. Okay, see how is it, my dimensions. Is this are in proper way? See, so for this case what we want to do, we just use some command. which gives the exact parallel dimensions. So for that we have to use here dimension edit. So the command which is shows the exact dimensions. So here first I want to select my dimension, give D I E. So for the dimension we will go with DED dimension edit, enter. So go with oblique and select the parallel. See how simple we have to manage, or we have to modify our dimension. See the same process I am doing here. DED for dimension edit, go with oblique and give the axis for this. So I just want to remove these two. So once again I want to show you. See this is 90.6 something change here we have. So I'm using dimension edit command, DED, enter, go with oblique and select the axis. This is our dimensions, right? Next, select the axis. In which axis you want to represent your dimension. Like this. The same process we have to follow for remaining also. So here to here I have 12. Means 1 feet, right? So for that, so I want to show it in the parallel direction only. So for that again I am using dimension edit. Go with oblique. This is my dimension. Space bar and take the axis. In which axis you want to represent it. Like this. Okay. So this is the way how to represent our dimensions. And same as well in isometric view. Circle won't be work. For example, see here I am drawing a circle in this surface. When I changing my plane, only plane will be changed. There is no any changes in my circle. Okay. So for that what we have to do, we just go with iso circle which is available in ellipse. EL, and here we have the iso circle. So when we're drawing a circle in isometric view, see here I'm changing my plane. So based on my plane, circle also changing. Okay? Like this. So these are the some of the main important things what we have in our isometric view. Okay, if you have any doubts or if you forgot any topics, if I miss any topics, just drop a message in the comment section. I will clear it by the next video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.